All right, exercise science snack. All right, back it up and just do a movement, whatever you can. We'll do some exercises, loosen up. Just try to get some motion going. Motion is lotion. Doesn't have to be big. It could just be some, especially the shoulders. You want to stretch, but you gotta flex too. Your abs, your six pack actually connects your hips to your ribs, so you'll need to kind of, if you draw those bones closer together while you're flexing, that's going to be that six pack activation. Oh, yeah. Oh, little neck and shoulder. Ooh, oh, oh, short side. Careful with that. Oh, oh, oh. Boom. Oh. All right. Yeah, I was gonna do a little exercise science and an exercise snack, so let's keep going. We're a minute in. Go for a 3-minute exercise snack, and now we'll learn a little bit about science. So people might tell you that you're burning calories right now, and that's an interesting thing to think about. So calories was first conceived of by Antoine Lavoisier in 1789 when he wrote the world's first chemistry textbook, like literally the world's first chemistry textbook. He made it into, or he brought us out of alchemy and from chemistry and into chemistry. Sorry, I'm misspeaking. He was also credited with tying respiration and combustion. See, because for calorie theory to work, you have to think that there's also like a cellular combustion. And I'm here to tell you that's not really how your body works. And so what happened in the 1900s was we discovered the electron. In actually 1897, that's the same year the USDA, Dietary, US, I thought it was agriculture. Dietary and agriculture? I don't know. I gotta check. Dietary Association adopted the calorie as the unit of measurement for we started the Atwater system, the 494 rule for calories, and then we said like, oh, if we understood how heat is made, we understood how energy is, and that's a classical thermodynamics measurement. And so energy in biology is chemical. It's from chemistry, and so chemistry can only be understood with modern physics. And what we understand from modern physics is that classical thermodynamics doesn't explain the energy, because it's like water and things that are non-caloric would still do work in your body. It's just calories, carbs, fats, and proteins can turn into the chemical that starts aerobic respiration. We're out of time, but that's the start of the snack.